So I've just found 7 different websites that you can start using right now to make easy money from the comfort of your own home. What's even better, these websites allow you to make money online without ever stepping outside, and most of them don't require any technical expertise. You can literally start earning today with just a laptop and an internet connection. Now, let me tell you something really important. I've actually used a lot of these websites myself. I'm speaking from personal experience, and I know exactly how they work, how much you can make, and how easy they are to get started with. And a disclaimer before we jump into this, I have not been sponsored by any of these companies. I'm sharing my own research and experiences from years of testing different methods to make money online. No fluff, no paid promotions, just the real deal. Without wasting any more time, let's get into the 7 websites you can start using today to earn money from home in 2024. Let's start with the first website on the list, and that's usertesting.com. The name is pretty self-explanatory, right? You get paid to test and review websites. But let me break it down in a bit more detail. The reason this platform exists is that companies need feedback. Imagine you're running an e-commerce site and you want to know how easy it is for users to navigate and make purchases. You'd want real people to come in, use the site, and give their feedback, right? That's where user testing comes in. How does it work? Once you sign up on user testing, you'll be asked to take a sample test. This sample is crucial because it's going to determine whether you get accepted into the platform or not. Don't worry though, it's nothing complicated. You're just showing them that you know how to record your screen while completing a simple task. Once approved, you'll get access to tests from various companies. The tasks are super simple. How much can you make? For each test you take, you're going to get paid around $10 USD, and these tests can take anywhere from 10 to 20 minutes. Next up, we have Listverse. This is one of the easiest ways to make money online, especially if you're a fan of writing, or even if you're not, because here's the thing, you don't need to be a professional writer to make money on Listverse. The lists don't have to be long essays or research papers. They're short, engaging articles that people love to read. Think of BuzzFeed-style articles that you click on because the title is intriguing. What is Listverse? Listverse is a website that pays you to create lists. That's it. Simple, right? The list can be on any topic under the sun. You could write a list titled 10 famous people you didn't know killed someone, and they'll pay you for it. The lists don't have to be long essays or research papers. They're short, engaging articles that people love to read. Think of BuzzFeed-style articles that you click on because the title is intriguing. How do you get started? First, head over to listverse.com. You'll find the Write and Get Paid section right there on their homepage. You don't need to create an account to submit, you just need a PayPal account because that's how they pay you. The best part, they pay $100 per list. Yes, you heard that right, a simple list of 10 interesting points could net you a cool $100. But what if you're thinking, I'm not that creative? Don't worry, you can leverage AI tools like ChatGPT or Jasper to help you generate ideas and even help with writing. You can use AI to brainstorm unique topics and then polish the content so it sounds professional and engaging. After you generate the script, head up to Submissions form option and continue by filling the required details, including your PayPal email to get paid. Now moving on to website number 3, and this one's a classic for anyone who loves typing or just has a knack for listening. This site is called Reverend.com, and if you've been watching my content for a while, you know that I've talked about this platform before. Reverend.com pays you to transcribe audio. So you'll be listening to audio or video files and simply typing out what's being said. Super straightforward, right? Rev.com pays you to transcribe audio. So you'll be listening to audio or video files and simply typing out what's being said. Super straightforward, right? How does it work? You sign up, and once you're approved, you'll start receiving assignments. These assignments could range from interviews to lectures or even podcasts. Your job is to simply type out everything you hear in the audio. If you're doing video content, you might also be asked to create subtitles and time code the text, so it syncs up perfectly with the video. How much can you make? On Rev, you'll get paid anywhere from $0.30 to $1.10 per audio minute. So let's say you transcribe a 10-minute video. At $1 per minute, that's $10 in your pocket. It might not sound like much, but if you're transcribing multiple videos per day, it can quickly add up. But here's the kicker, Rev pays out weekly. That's right. Unlike some other platforms that pay monthly or bi-weekly, Rev deposits your earnings into your account every single week. So if you're looking for a way to start earning quick cash, This is it. Pro tip: to speed up your transcription process, invest in a good pair of headphones and use keyboard shortcuts to pause and play the audio. Trust me, it'll save you tons of time in the long run. Okay, so let's talk about Prolific, a website that actually pays decent money for something a lot of other platforms pay pennies for: surveys. Now, I know what you're thinking, surveys, really? But hold on, because Prolific is different. What is Prolific? Prolific.com is a platform where researchers, often from universities, pay people like you and me to take part in their studies. These aren't your typical, "Do you like this product?" surveys. These are legitimate research studies designed to gather data that'll help in areas like psychology, education, and behavioral science. What's even better is that Prolific values your time. Unlike some survey websites that offer pennies for long, tedious surveys, Prolific ensures that most of the tasks pay you between $6 to $12 per hour on average, depending on the complexity and length of the study. Some longer or more in-depth studies can pay even more. How it works: sign up for an account on Prolific, which is free. Fill out your profile to ensure you're matched with studies that are relevant to your demographic and experience. Once your profile is complete, you'll start receiving email notifications or see available studies on your dashboard. Choose a study you'd like to participate in and complete it. Studies can range anywhere from a few minutes to an hour or longer. Once completed, you'll get paid directly into your Prolific account, which can then be withdrawn to PayPal. The next on the list is Preply, and if you've ever thought about teaching something you're passionate about, whether that's languages, math, or even skills like guitar, Preply is an amazing platform to consider. So let me be clear, you don't need to have a degree to start teaching on Preply. What is Preply? Preply is an online platform where you can become a tutor and get paid to teach subjects you know. The beauty of this site is that you don't have to be a certified teacher. You can be anyone with a solid understanding of a subject, the English, Spanish, math, or even special about niche-sized topics like coding or photography. If you've got knowledge, there's someone out there who's willing to pay to learn from you. How do you get started? Setting up on Preply is straightforward. All you need to do is create a profile showcasing what you can teach. How much can you make? Let's break down the earnings potential. If you're teaching English, for example, and you charge $20 an hour, which is pretty common on Preply, you could easily make $200 a week by just teaching 10 hours. But if you have a full schedule, say 20 or 30 hours a week, you could be making $400 to $600 weekly. That's upwards of $2,400 a month, just from teaching a subject you already know. Moving on to website number 6, and this one is a bit different but still incredibly lucrative, especially if you're someone with expertise in a specific field. I'm talking about Clarity.fm. What is Clarity.fm? Clarity.fm is a platform where you can get paid for giving expert advice over the phone. Think of it as consulting on demand. Whether you're an expert in business, marketing, startups, personal finance, or even something more niche like NFTs or cryptocurrency, Clarity allows you to monetize your knowledge. How does it work? Once you sign up, you create a profile highlighting your expertise. Then, whenever someone needs advice in your area of knowledge, they can book a call with you through Clarity. You get paid for your time, and these calls can be anywhere from 10 minutes to an hour long, depending on what the client needs. What makes Clarity.fm so powerful is that the platform is designed for high-quality, paid consultations. I teach you not doing long work like tutoring or transcribing, you're giving direct, actionable advice, which makes this a great option if you're short on time, but still want to earn by sending money. How much can you make? This is where it gets really interesting. You set your own rate, and you can charge anywhere from $1 per minute to $10 or more per minute. If you're a seasoned professional with a proven track record in your field, you can charge premium rates. Let's say you charge $5 per minute and do a 20-minute consultation. That's $100 for less than half an hour of work. Last but definitely not least, let's talk about ClickBank, one of the largest and most well-established affiliate marketing platforms in the world. If you've been following the online business world, you've probably heard of ClickBank before. It's a platform where you can promote digital products created by other people and earn a commission for every sale you help generate. The products range from online courses to ebooks, software, and membership programs. As an affiliate, your job is to promote these products using affiliate links, and when someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. And there you have it. 7 proven websites that you can use to start making real money from home in 2024. Whether you're into user testing, tutoring, affiliate marketing, or even just taking surveys, there's something on this list for everyone. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future money-making tips. Let me know in the comments which of these websites you're most excited to try, and if you've already had success with any of them, I'd love to hear your stories. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.